I would just like to say that I have truly enjoyed this class this semester. I have had the opportunity to take so much information back to my department. The QSIM modules, I provided the link to my coworkers. They found it to be very informative and they were very appreciative. We used the Swiss cheese model in almost all of our incidents that occur on the different units. We use it with the staff, use it with the leadership team. We also are using in the nursing department the team steps. With the team steps, we're having some bit of a struggle in certain areas as far as different approaches and, what's appropriate to use. But it's, like I've told them, it's a work in progress. There are so many steps, so many components, and we know that it's going to take some time, but we are going to move forward. So I really enjoyed the stories that we told each other and how similar so many were when it came to the culture of safety and our best worst cases. Those were fun. I really enjoyed doing those. Charting the course and Why Hospitals Should Fly, those two books I've actually lent out to one of my coworkers, the nurse manager. She's reading those, and we're going to incorporate some things in our nurses meetings, as well as taking it to the different campuses that we have. So we are really looking forward to using some of the concepts and the role plays I found to be informative as far as getting the nurses, on our team to be more of a team and using that team approach. Now, when it comes to the impact of healthcare, I think that patient-centered care is at the helm. And it's important that we all take from this the importance of involving all parties attached to that patient, knowing that we can't have or view them as a disregard. They're important to patient care as well as the patient themselves. I have truly enjoyed this class.